Okay, so I'm going to show you how to create your customized WhatsApp link. Right, it's very simple, it's very easy. These days with WhatsApp Business, it's faster. You can do it very fast with WhatsApp Business, but there are two ways, and I think I'm going to take time to just show you the two ways of going about it. Okay, all right. So the first thing you come to settings under your WhatsApp for business. You come to business tools, then you come to short link. Can you see it? So now there's already a place that is auto populated. Now just type whatever you want. Please, I want to learn more about whatever it is. So now let me say, for example, IP capital, right? Then you click save. Once you save, just click on copy link, and that's it. You've created it. So this is the first step of creating using the WhatsApp business link. I'm going to show you the next way you can be able to create your WhatsApp business, your WhatsApp custom link. Okay, so the second method is you need a already created coded link, right? Let me show you how to go about it. So you have to type the word https://api.com/send. Just follow this code. Now for this case, I'm going to drop this link. You can just go ahead and copy it. Just replace this with your phone numbers. So I'm going to put 590-4040, right? Then you come over. Now look at the write-ups. Like whatever you write, just put %20. Whatever you write, put %20. This is the coding language for space. You understand? So it says, please, I am interested in getting started with IPC. But instead, let me just put I want to start using IP capital. So again, what do we put? We just put % then 20. Then you put, now I'm going to put my capital, because that's the codec language for writing for writing space, right? Then you post it. Can you see? So now when you click on this link, it's going to open and it will auto populate this message. It's simple. These kind of tiny things are actually simple, but let me tell you, if you know what you're doing, you can charge good money for it. So the next thing I do on my own is I come to Bitly. Bitly is a site for shortening your links, right? Bitly management. It will already show you my links. I'm already there. I think you should log me in. Log in, please. Come on. Okay, so let me just log in to my account. Okay, log in here. So once you go on Bitly, you can actually use it without creating an account, but I advise just create your account so that you can be able to get history and data of your previous promotions. Do you understand? It will show you. Bitly does two things. It's going to show you the analytics. It can show you where your traffic is coming from, who is clicking your link, and everything, right? So I'm going to log into my Bitly account. Okay, so once you're there, it's going to show you the previous promotions, the previous links you've shortened. And here's the good thing about it is you will always get the data. Like you can tell what who is clicking this, who is clicking that. You can be able to see it real time. It will even show you where they are clicking from. So it will help you to be able to optimize your campaign. So now, don't forget, I've copied that long link, right? Just come here, create your Bitly link, and then paste the link here, right? Okay, I didn't get the most latest one. So I'm going to copy this link. Can you see? Then I'll come over here, and then I'll paste it inside of here. Boom, that's all. So once you come over here, you just click on create. Can you see it here? Create, and that's all. You just come over here and click on copy. You just copy. Okay, on phone it hardly shows, but let me click on copy link. Now you can even customize it here. Let me just give it a name. Let me say IP capital. This is what it will show. It will appear before people, or let me say connect on WhatsApp IPC. Can you see? So whenever anybody pastes this in, this write-up will appear, right? So once you understand this, you're good to go. It's so simple, it's easy. Start using these things, take advantage, don't be behind. All right, so I'll see you on my next video.